the combination between industry and this thing is very much required.
We are having complete change in our education scenario, without which you cannot move ahead is the talent pool.
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, मशीन लर्निंग, कोडिंग एंड एक्सेल, बहुत कुछ है.
In order to reduce the logistics cost and faster delivery, we are showing this model in West Bengal in the district of Howrah.
But then we are now more into the habit, especially the younger generation,
So moment we are into that kind of digital storm, there will be definitely consequences.
সেই ফোকাস থেকে আমরা সেটাকে আজকে 30 বছর এসেছি, সেখানে আমরা বিভিন্ন হসপিটাল, মেডিকেল কলেজ, এডুকেশন অল ওভার ইন্ডিয়াতে কাজ করেছি.
People in the room are different, but if you look at the entire country, I think it's quite a challenge. Making this particular industry who are here, the students, you can interact with them.
Oldest B school in the country called ISWBM, Institute of Social Welfare and Business Management.
With ChatGPT or a Gemini or a generative AI coming in, the skill has shifted further. It has shifted from knowing the right answers to asking the right questions.
In our school, we have started teaching them artificial intelligence.
We kept on looking back at what are the things that could have been given to us as inputs.
এবং এমন কিছু সময় যদি আমরা কাটাতে পারি যেখানে আমরা কেউ ফোন খুলবো না, আমরা কবিতা শুনবো, আমরা গান শুনবো.
Everybody's time is valuable. That is something that in Kolkata and Bengal, I think that needs to be very important.
What is that one most important thing to be successful in the next 2 decades?
Situation will change. There will be no question of unemployability.
इंटरनेट को अपने बेनिफिट में यूज करके rather than using it for a waste of time.
Unless the bank debits, doesn't get the credit for that.
Many a time, whatever application you install in the mobile, it doesn't allow you to install the application without giving the accesses.
AI will play a big role. I don't think you can do a job today if you don't understand data. It's a hard skill, but it's a transferable skill.
Both of us decided to start a program.
And the opportunities and aspect is huge for all the levels.
अगर इंसान कायदे से जिए और जब जो करना चाहिए उसे सही से करे तो तरक्की गारंटी होती है.
If I know what you want, I can sell you better.
You have to do the hard work, you have to do the ground sales, you have to understand any business from ground up.
You have to have a depth. At the same time, you have to harness these capabilities.
So you have to be consistent. तुम्हारा CV में stability देखकर ही आगे you will get good opportunity.
নিজের লক্ষ্যে এগিয়ে যাও, জয় আসবেই.
It is going to be the order of the day that it has to be absolutely perfect.
I'm just glad to meet with you all, and it's a lovely job fair going on. We provide event management course, a lot of students coming over here. I think this is a very good platform.
My experience over here is very great. Got to connect with a lot of students and working professionals. And I would like to thank for giving us this opportunity. Happy to be here to provide knowledge about the institute, to do whatever we can for the students of India.
So we are just promoting our college here. We provide BBA and BCA. Further students are coming and interacting with us.
Messaging of this event is also good क्योंकि यहाँ पे कैंडिडेट्स के ऊपर भी बहुत डेवलप किया जा रहा है. I am really thankful to the job fair. I hope इस तरह के initiatives और होते रहे.
Being in the market is also important, so at least the visibility is there. All in all, it was a good experience, not bad, perfectly done.
Looking for fresh hires as well as experienced candidates. I'm having a great experience here.
We are catering to over 350 plus clients on a pan-India basis. जितना भी लेबर लॉस रिलेटेड काम होता है, be it challans, inspections, departmental notices, we handle everything and make it easier for you to handle your compliances.
The experience টা খুব বেটার. আমরা এখানে all candidates gathering পাচ্ছি যেখানে আমরা candidate shortlist করতে পারছি.
ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट किया गया, this is a wonderful opportunity and effort by Magical Mantra, and I'm sure a lot of youths are going to be benefited by this.
Congratulate the Magical Mantras team to organize all this, and they have done a splendid job by putting every good organizations out there.
And I hope to grow myself in this organization. I want to build a resume and my career through this workshop.
We are building up India and we are proud of our school, we are proud of our children. And always we are ready to help them so that they can get a good future. It was my very first time that I came to this fair. And it is really exciting to see a lot of stalls here. I think this event is truly a success for me. I would give it a 5 on 5.
We're getting good numbers into our stall. The other stalls are also full. The turnout is throughout the day, which we don't see in other events. They should really consider this program.
I think this will definitely help them in choosing their career path. So I wish all the best to the organizers. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Hope to see you all again.